Hello and welcome. Today we are going to understand the basics of the color wheel and learn how primary, secondary and tertiary colors are created using acrylic paints. Color is one of the most important elements of painting. Understanding how colors relate to each other and how they can be mixed will make color mixing much easier. So let's get started. First, let's look at the three primary colors, red, yellow and blue. These are called primary colors because we cannot create them by mixing other colors. Instead, these three colors can be mixed together in different proportions to create many other colors. For example, when we mix red and yellow, we create orange. When we mix yellow and blue, we create green. And when we mix blue and red, we create violet. First, I am going to place the three primary colors on the color wheel, yellow, red and blue. Now let's look at the secondary colors and see how we can create them by mixing two primary colors. First, I will take red and yellow. When I mix these two colors together, I get orange. So red plus yellow gives us orange. Next, I'll take yellow and blue. As I mix these two colors together, they create green. So yellow plus blue gives us green. Finally, I'll mix blue and red. When these two colors are mixed together, they create violet. So blue plus red gives us violet. These three colors, orange, green and violet, are called the secondary colors because each one is created by mixing two primary colors. Now let's move on to the tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are created by mixing primary color with the secondary color next to it on the color wheel. First, I will take yellow and orange and mix them together. This gives me yellow-orange. Next, for the same orange, I'll mix red. It gives me red-orange. Next, I will take yellow and green. When I mix these two colors, I get yellow-green. Now let's move on to blue side of the color wheel. I'll mix blue and green to create blue-green. To create red-violet, I'll mix red and violet. I'll mix blue and violet, which gives me blue-violet. So let's quickly review what we have learned. We started with the three primary colors, yellow, red and blue. From these we created secondary colors, orange, green and violet. Then we created the tertiary colors by mixing primary colors with their neighboring secondary colors. And with this we have completed our primary, secondary and tertiary colors on the color wheel.